Hello everyone, and in this video I will be going over adding full screen support for our window. Now, right now we have a simple window class set up. So now we can have everything for our window put inside of the window class. And there is one thing that we have to do to the camera real fast, and where it's 640 and 480, replace that with win get width and win get height. So that way, if we launch it at any at the window of any size, really, it should have the same size box every time. So I'm going to change this back to 640 by 480. Same size box. Again, well, not again, but this is just messing the values within the with the orthographic projection. Okay, so to get started, I have asked you to try yourself to create the window in full screen. And it was pretty simple, really. All you had to do was replace that value right there. The 0 with GLFW get primary monitor. And this gives the GLFW create window method the monitor, and it'll just say, oh, we'll set the monitor width to this and the monitor height to this variable. We're going to discard the title and we'll make a full screen window for you. So that's what that does. But it would be better if we can control it with methods and such. So I'm going to create a private boolean, and I'm going to call this full screen. And of course, I'll have getters and setters for this. Set full screen. And the get full screen. I'm actually going to make that is instead of get. Alright. So, now that we have our variable here, I'm going to set full screen to false by default. And now let's go back to our create window method. So, here we'll replace 0. Oops. Let me just organize real fast. Okay, we'll replace 0 with full screen question mark GLFW get primary monitor colon 0. Okay, and what this is doing is it's testing if full screen is true, then this will be passed. But if full screen is false, then 0 will be passed. It's a better way of using an if statement and else statement without actually typing in if and else. Okay, so all we have to do now is surround this with an if and with just an if statement. So if not full screen, then we'll set the position of the window. Other than that, we'll allow GLFW to do that for us. So now it's almost finished. We need to do one more thing, and this will only be temporary. And we're going to return the window. So public long get window, return window. So this is only going to be temporary. We will get rid of it soon. But the reason why I am having that in there is to have the input back. Replace win with win.getWindow. And same as over here. Okay, so after this, we should be able to press escape once again and close out the window. But now, let's set it to full screen. And all we have to do for this is win.setFullScreen to true. And I'm going to set it by my monitor defaults and the size to my monitor defaults. So my monitor defaults are 1024 by 768, I believe. Yeah, pretty small monitor. So now if I run, I get the whole window in full screen. And if I press escape, it closes the window. So we can also change this around. So I can also do 800 by 600, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to mess up the recording. I'm not even sure if the recording picked up the full screen window. Anyways, I hope it did. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. And in the next video, we're going to be going over some more about the window. We're going to be able to enable VSync and be able to change our values while the window has been created. So, I'll see you in the next video.